The other way that we can deploy virtual machines is through templates. So a template is a virtual machine that's been marked as a template. It's not actively running, you can't start it, but you can use it to deploy other virtual machines. So we're going to convert our Windows 10 virtual machine into an image. So you build a virtual machine, you shut it down. You don't need to sysprep it before you shut it down or anything like that. vSphere will take care of that. So we'll shut down the guest OS. We're going to right click on that virtual machine, go to template, and we can convert it to a template. We can also clone to a template. So let's go and convert this one to a template. It's a simple process. It says yes, and it disappears from that list. It no longer appears on the hosts tab. We need to go to the VMs and templates view here, and we can see there it's got a slightly different icon and it is marked as a template. If we right click it, we cannot start it. We can convert it to back to a normal virtual machine, then we can start it, and that is how we would update it. So if we wanted to update this template, maybe we want to install the latest Windows updates onto it and update the VMware tools so that the VMs that we're deploying are up to date straight away, we can convert it to a virtual machine, start it, do the updates that we want to, and then convert it back to a template. We can clone it into a new template, and we can clone it to a content library. I'll show you a content library in this module very shortly. What you're going to want to do the most, though, is to deploy a VM from that template. So Windows 10-3, this is the same process as what we went through to clone the virtual machine. Put it on DS2 again. I'm going to customize and power it on. I'm going to select the standard customization. Finish. And again, that's now going to clone that virtual machine. So it is still sort of a virtual machine. It's just marked as a template in vCentre. It's about the vCentre inventory. It's not a specific type of file or anything like that. It's still just a virtual machine for most intents and purposes. In fact, if you connect directly to the host, you would very possibly see it there as a virtual machine. But in vCentre, it is marked as a template and is therefore treated differently to the other virtual machines.